Good evening. Guten
Hi,
Abend. Guten Abend, Alice.
Guten Abend, sir.
Yeah. Yesterday we have done the introduction part, right, Lohit?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. And again, part two is all about grammar questions. I'll be asking the questions, newcomers as well as our batch students. And part three would be numbers and personal information. Part four is speaking challenge. Okay. Screen is visible to you?
Sir,
Fine. Yeah, you
We
say
has do.
we
We
has
has
to.
do. We has do.
Ich heiße Manraj.
Okay, and also you can say mine. Tell me,
Nama.
Nama is
My name है
Manraj. Correct?
sir, ऐसे भी आ सकता है इश बिन अमृत like.
Yes, yes, that also you can do, but let it be simple, so that everyone can understand. Okay, so we can say in different ways. Manraj and Lohit.
Okay.
Ich komme aus Indien.
Asian.
Is
Okay.
komme aus Indian.
Great. This again. Wo wants do.
Ich wohne in Gurgaon.
We alt bis do.
19 Jahre alt.
Ich bin
Okay.
Dreisen. Jahre
Yeah.
alt.
Okay, fine. It's been 30 Jahre alt. Good. Was machst du beruflich? What do you do? Ich arbeite. Yesterday we have done. Hallo Lohit.
Hallo.
We get
Guten
is
Abend.
there. Guten Abend. We get is there.
Good. Danke.
Okay. Only not good. It's been good. Danke.
It's been good. Danke.
Okay. We alt bis du.
Ich bin 13 Jahre alt.
Was machst du beruflich?
Ich arbeite als Seaman.
If you are referring any company, then by Siemens or Amazon, IBM. Okay, you have to use by. Ich arbeite
Okay, bye.
bei.
Okay. Ich arbeite bei Amazon.
Okay. Welche Sprachen sprichst du, Lohit?
Ich spreche English, Punjabi and Hindi.
Ja, und Hindi. Okay, und Hindi. Was sind deine Hobbys?
Meine Hobbys sind Musik.
Music, hören.
Musik hören.
Correct. Why meine we are using, you know? Mine, why we are not using mine? Mine we are using because hobbies are in plural form. Correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. So that's why it becomes minor. Minor hobbies sind. If you have multiple hobbies, how you represent this? If you suppose you have hobbies listening music, reisen, that means traveling. Okay. So how you present this? Was
Meine,
sind
meine Hobbys sind Cricket, Spielen und Musik hören.
ja reading. So meine Hobbys sind lesen, reisen und Musik hören. Correct? Yeah. Warum lernst du Deutsch? Why you want to learn German language?
Okay. While ich mochte in Deutschland arbeiten.
Ich lerne Deutsch, weil ich in Deutschland studieren und arbeiten möchte. Right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, and again, I will ask same questions to other person. We have
Ich lerne Deutsch, viele ich want to travel Deutschland. Nee.
हम्म
Ich lerne Deutsch, wähle ich। सर मतलब मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा want to को क्या बोलूं।
म्योक्टे म्योक्टे
Mjokte.
Möchte Deutschland
is lerne Deutsch while is in Deutschland arbeiten, right?
arbeiten। Okay,
Deutschland studieren und arbeiten or Ausbildung machen. You can say
okay
it like
sir,
that.
okay sir,
So was machst du beruflich? Only studying, right? So
okay
is
sir।
been a student. Let us make this simple. It's been a student. Teen. You are a girl.
Studentin.
Correct. Studentin. We alt bist du.
How old are you?
Yeah. How
Oh,
old are you? It's simple, right?
ich bin,
Mm-hmm.
ich bin, ich bin
Mm-hmm.
18, ich bin 18,
Aksen.
ab
Jahre
18 Jahren,
alt. Jahre
alt,
Alt.
alt.
Jahren alt।
Okay. So everyone will come to part 2 grammar questions, verb conjugation. Okay. So verb conjugation we have. So how we conjugate verb is come.
Is
Ich
Ko
komme,
come,
MME,
do
du kommst,
do come,
Kommt.
ST,
komst. Correct. This
come,
kommt,
come,
MMT,
KOMMT,
komt.
no,
Double M.
double M,
All right.
T,
So again this.
Is
ich
komme.
komme aus Indien,
come,
Okay. Is come aus
komme
Indien.
aus Indien,
Do
out India,
Du
du
lernst.
du kannst
lernst
learn,
RNST.
and
ST,
ST,
All right.
okay,
Fine. All right. Tell the articles now again.
Der
der
Mann.
Mann,
der Mann,
Der
Die
Mann.
Frau.
The
die
die Frau,
Das Kind.
das Kind,
das Kind,
all right, very nice. Make a sentence using wohen.
wohin,
Wohen. Make the sentence now.
ich wohne in
ich,
Berlin,
OH.
HNE,
This is the correct. Is
yes,
wohne
ich wohne
wohne in,
in
Punjab,
Berlin,
oh Indian, yeah,
wherever you say Punjab.
सर
Punjab.
इंडियन सही है, सभी इंडिया से है तो इंडियन, फर्स्टली इंडियन देन पंजाबी।
So conjugate this verb again. So
do
arbeiten.
arbeit,
Wait. Don't conjugate with is. Now conjugate with
do,
where?
Arbeiten
Arbeiten,
heute.
arbeiten,
Arbeiten.
IT,
heute,
arbeiten,
Is this correct?
by Amazon,
Yesterday we have learned the difference between buy and meet. Okay, buy and meet. So which one is correct? So buy correct or meet correct?
by,
All right. So what is the meaning of meet?
meet means with,
Okay, meet means with, and buy
Mit.
means
by,
it means.
from, it means where we do work,
So meet we use only a company. Okay, going somewhere using something together with.
together,
Zusammen meet. Okay. So by we use is been meinem father place. So I am in someone's place. I am at my father's place. In that case, we use by. Okay. Meet. I am going to the cinema with my friend. With my friend. So if we
yeah,
are addressing with, then we use meet. So tell the sentence is gehe mit meinem Freund ins Kino.
cinema,
Got it?
yes,
Let's say somebody's number would be 98765 this whatever 56789. We have anyone? Kaniska Rai, please.
Hi sir, hi Sunil.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm new here, so I just joined. Actually, I don't know nothing about this. Actually, I have to learn A1 also. So this is the first class, sir.
No, actually, we have already covered some of the topic, and this is very basic German. Okay,
Okay.
we have just started the class going.
Okay, thank you so
Okay.
much, Sunil.
All right, fine. Aslam.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 8, 6.
Any of you know the email ID? You just tell your name and at the rate email like gmail.com. Anyone want to participate? Anyone want to say email
Uh,
ID?
Deep Singh, deepf@gmail.com.
No, in German.
My
All right.
my
Oh,
email address है, it's
Wie ist deine E-Mail-Adresse?
Is
Meine E-Mail-Adresse
okay, sir.
my
Meine email
email
address
address
is deepsinghdeepf@gmail.com.
deep
dot
punt
no
sing
deep
Deep.singh at the
gmail
rate
punt
pump
com.
dot pump
at
com.
gmail.com.
All right. Deep
Funk
punt
Singh
punt
at,
sind
at gmail.com.
gmail.com.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
wow, great. 9 seconds. Okay. So Nitesh,
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
15. Okay, great. So again we have.
सर बट मेरा ना आपने उसके साथ नहीं किया था.
चलो ठीक है आगे करते हैं.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
All right. It means when is your birthday. So how you say, like let's say ask to Aslam, Aslam, one
Yes.
has to Geburtstag. When is
Ich,
your birthday? How you say this answer?
पता नहीं सर वो स्टार्ट कैसे करना है हाई से स्टार्ट करना है या क्या कैसे
All right. See, whenever you are saying your birthday, so you how you say, anyone some idea? Uh, Mine. Then we will write to Geburtstag. Gbur.
So I have a doubt.
Yes.
तो मतलब ऐसे तो लिखते हैं, ऐसे कैसे लिखेंगे जैसे 29 3 2008, इसको कैसे बोलेंगे मतलब लाइक डेट को.
Can you try it? Represent this questions. Somebody asking you, your interviewer asking you, describe deine family. Deine family. How you say? Make it simple. Don't think much. Okay. Make it simple. Don't think much. Only you have to say. Meine. Why we use meine? You already know meine. That means it is like we are denoting this for plural. Correct? And
Yes,
then
sir.
we will pick this family. We are talking about the family member. Famili. Meine family. Okay. So what would be the next? Meine family. Meine family. We can say is.
Is
Okay. Next is, now we come to how many family members are there. So in German, how you say? Tell me one by one.
ich habe
habe vier.
Mutter, Vater, meine Bruder, Oma und Opa.
We say, right? So I have only one time. I have I have a father. Then
Mother,
Mo-
mother,
am
uh,
mother,
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 I have a
Mother,
father,
brother,
mother, and a
brother,
sister. All right, no problem.
sister.
I have a father, mother, and a brother, a sister. So in German also, we don't repeat this every time. Okay. But while speaking, ich habe einen Vater, einen Mutter und ich habe einen Sister auch. You got it? How you are making the sentence bigger? All right, but this is not the actual right way to say. Is have, then is have. Here something is something. All right, fine. Here what we can use? Tell me. Ah.
Einen.
Eine.
Correct. Tell me.
einen,
Using einen here and eine here. Why not einen?
Because sir
feminine,
वहाँ पे वो
feminine.
This
feminine
is
है वो
feminine.
Große. Meine Familie ist große. Ich habe einen Vater. Vater, eine Mutter und eine Schwester. Okay, this is the correct spelling. Schwester.
Yes.
And what we can include in the sentence last? Last, what we can.
Eine Mutter und eine Schwester. Wir wohnen zusammen.
Zusammen. Yes. Again, next.
Meine Familie ist groß. Ich habe einen Vater, eine Mutter und eine Schwester. Wir wohnen zusammen.
Very nice. Very nice.
Mein Vater ist groß. Ich habe einen Vater, eine Mutter und eine Schwester. Wir wohnen zusammen.
Good. Next.
Meine Familie ist groß. Ich habe einen Vater, eine Mutter und eine Schwester. Wir wohnen zusammen.
Where wohnen zusammen. Zusammen.
Wir wohnen zusammen.
Good. Next. Who are new here, so they don't understand much, but still hope they are enjoying it. Everyone? Till now, everyone understanding, right? All
Yes
are
sir.
Yes, sir.
fine. Okay, we'll come to the point. Auf. Fine. See, here what we are saying is stehe 6 Uhr auf. Auf we say if we are waking up. Okay. Auf. Everyone agree or disagree? Tell me. Who are
Sir,
agree or
disagree है इसके साथ हार्ट लगता है.
okay, fine. But here we are writing DID, it is plural, we denoting for plural. And why here heart? Say, heart, file. Why again here firman? Again, why here like parks? Say, I will explain you why. Say D start. Okay, D start is we don't call a city here because something we are writing the sentences again we are writing D THED. Whenever we are writing THED in German, D will come and start is start city. So here it is definitely singular only. Okay, singular only. We will only take this thing and it is singular. We use hut. Okay, file is definitely plural. File means many. Firman. We conjugate this as a plural. Got it right?
Yes, sir.
Parks on Gurudwara. Okay, Gurudwara is only singular. Then we don't use Gurudwaran, right?
No, it's okay, sir. Thank you for the class, sir. It was awesome, sir.